Alright, the purpose of this video is to show you a few tips and tricks and how to navigate through YouTube and support some of your favourite YouTube channels. Got a picture of one of my recent videos up here, and for instance I'm going down it and I'm looking at a couple of comments. Now these are people I really like, two of the people I really like, and in particular I'm going to take you to Tilly Eats' channel. And I did that, you see, simply by just clicking on her name here, so that takes you straight to her channel landing page. Now another good tip you can do is you can go to the About page and you can find out what makes them tick. So she's describing herself in a few words there, and she's also kind enough to tell us where she lives. And you've also got Instagram account which you can click, and her Twitter account which you can click and go to. So I'm not going to teach you all about social media, but under the videos tab, this is all her videos. So for instance, if I want to search within her channel, I don't hit the search up here because that searches within only YouTube. But if I wish to search within her channel, I go here and then I will type in dumplings, for instance. Now I happen to know that Tilly is the Antipodean queen of dumplings, and as you can quickly see by scanning just down these wonderful recipes, she's got gyozas, manti Turkish dumplings, Chinese chive dumplings, how to make the best dumpling dough, momos from Nepal, and all these wonderful recipes. So if you're not following Tilly, and look, she needs some love, she deserves it. She's great sense of humour, fantastic content, and really well worth a visit. So get in there, subscribe, and click that bell. Alright, that's Tilly. I've got a couple of more tabs open on of friends of mine, and there's no better friend of mine than Taste of Trini. And if you're a follower of my channel at any level, you'll know who Taste of Trini is. And if I, for instance, want to search her channel, I'll do the same again. I'll go to videos, and remember, click on the spyglass, and then for instance I will search on green seasoning, yeah, and then I get a short list of her green seasoning videos, and trust me, these are the best green seasonings I've tried, so she's the best. So that's Taste of Trini. Another great friend of mine is a Swedish guy called Lasse's Food and Barbecue, his channel. And this guy is so innovative, he's really amazing. So again, let's go to the videos and let's do a search. And if I want to do keto, it will shortlist all his keto titles. Also, you'll probably find, knowing Lasse, he would have put that into one of his many playlists, because he creates playlists. He's fully organised. Alright, so his low carb keto's all under one playlist. So if you hit that, it will play all of the videos in that playlist in sequence for you. Alright, another really great friend of mine, and is a man I call a cook's cook, and that is the Gourmet Gambit. His name is Wes, and the reason I call him a cook's cook is because he does the kind of recipes that cooks want to learn, and he is the spice meister. He knows his way around his spices, so he does some amazing videos. So lots and lots on different types of spice, everything. He's even got a video on how to make authentic Dijon mustard. So You really need to look him up and give him some love. That's the Gourmet Gambit. And a really, really good friend of mine is Ray Mac. Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill channel. He's a wonderful guy. He's a complete sweetheart. He's a really lovely guy. And he's not only that, he's a master of grilling and all those wonderful sides. Just if you want to know about North Carolina food and barbecue, that is one of the best channels you can go to, in my opinion. And what he doesn't know about frying chicken isn't worth knowing. I tell you, this man is a genius. Love his stuff. And you'll love Ray Mac too, I promise you. Alright, what else we got? So that takes you through how to navigate somebody's channel, someone you like. Also, on the landing page of your favourite channels, you'll see to the right, you're probably going to see a list of some of their favourite subscriptions. So you can scroll down that and check some of those out and see what makes them tick. Right, again, you can look on the about, and then it will, some people like myself, I put quite a lot in there, and this one tells you all about Ray Mac. He's been married for 22 years, he's a father of 6, and also has 4 beautiful granddaughters. And you'll see that if you follow his channel. They are lovely, they're a wonderful family. And again, you can go to Blogger and Facebook from there, his Facebook channel, which I highly recommend you do. Alright, I think that clears it up pretty much. I don't want to make the video too long, but I hope you've got something from this. Remember to subscribe on your favourite channels, and as importantly, you need to click the bell until you got the ringing icon like that, and that means you'll get notification of all their upcoming videos. In addition, when you're actually in one of the videos, amazing sandwich, I'll just turn that off for now. When you're in the video, you need to hit the like button. It's very important you do this, and a lot of people will go on, they'll love the video, but they'll forget to press the like button. And if you're a content creator, you'll know that this really helps us a lot. So if you really want to contribute in some way, make sure you click the like button on the videos that you enjoy. So here's another little tip. I've come to Tilly's most recent video at the time of recording, and I like it. You know, I've put in my comment, and I've given it a like, and there's also this button here where it says share, and you've got an option to share it to your favourite social media. So you can share it up to, I've got a blogger, so I want to actually share it to my blog. So that will now appear in my blog, and it's shared it like that. So if you've got a blogger blog, you can share it to your blog and create content on your blog just from like videos. So you can create a whole blog just for yourself, based around the videos you like, which I have done here, and these are all recent videos that I've liked and added to my blog. So going back to this, you can also post it straight to Twitter, so that will go straight to your Twitter account, and then you tweet it, and then I can come back, send it to my Pinterest account, and put it straight into my Pinterest, just the same. All handy stuff. And Facebook. Now this can get a bit complicated, because it doesn't always pull in the image unless the original poster has already posted it to Facebook. So what I like to do is I'll click it again, and if it doesn't go in the second time, what I normally do is I run it through this thing called a debugger, Facebook debugger. You can just search on Facebook debugger, And what you can do there is you post in the URL, which you can copy from here. So you post that in there, paste it in there, and then you hit the debug, and then it says it's not been shared on Facebook before, and then it will fetch it. And if the picture isn't there, you just hit scrape again, and then it normally pulls in the image. So now the next time you post it, up, it will definitely go. So that's ready to go. Hit post, and that now goes up to Facebook. If you click on that arrow, it gives you some more options, and you can share it to Reddit, Tumblr, a few others. These are Russian ones, or LinkedIn, and you can also share it to email. As long as your email is linked, you can share it to that. So there you go. That's just an extra tip on your social media button, and thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.